So in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and drop a column in R. We're going to start off by librarying our package. It's going to be DPLYR or DPLYR, however you want to pronounce it. You can see it's now installed here, and we can now go to the next line. So we're going to define iris as iris. We can run that, and now we can see we have a data frame, and we can see we have the species column, and that's the one we're going to be dropping here. So we can see 150 observations and 5 variables. So what we can do is we can do our first drop, and we're going to define this as subset iris select, and we're going to combine here petal.length and petal.width. Now, essentially what this is going to do, it's going to subset just these columns. And you can see now it just leaves us with those two and deletes the other three. Next, we can come down and do iris underscore drops 2. And here we're going to do iris, and all we're going to have to do here is -5. Now, we can see here, it just drops the 5th column. Now, another thing you can do with the same functionality is simply just add, say, -3 here, and now this will drop all the columns that are from 3 to 5. So we can see it just leaves us with columns 1 and 2. Lastly, we could do iris drop 3. Here we're going to do iris, and we're going to do the pipe operator, so Control-Shift-M, and select, and we're going to do species, so -species. So index the data frame, pipe operator, select -species. We can run that, and then in drop 3, we can see delete species. Now, one thing you may need to do is install the magritter package, and this is for the pipe operator. Sometimes you'll have issues with it, sometimes you won't. And those are 3 simple ways to get rid of columns in R.